Hey, it's Mark with another hour report. Well, it's Saturday morning. The pups are 7.5 weeks old. Already had one of them picked up based on the guy's insistence. He just had to take him home, which is fine. They're ready. They're eating 4 meals a day. They're well socialized, and they're really ready. And that's becomes a sad part. They're going to start departing, so we're going to take another little walkabout with them this morning. That's been our latest thing, is to get out and do little short walkabouts. I think they're well socialized, they're ready to go home, and I know we're going to start losing some today. So this may be our last walkabout with 8 of the pups. Let's get them up. This here's the great Wolf Puppy Lodge that they've lived in and created. They've got that old dog house. They kind of burrowed a little wolf pup den up underneath that deck there. They got their doggy door. They go in. They go to the bathroom outside here. These puppies are ready. I think I got to hand it to myself. I think we've done a good job. Let's see if we can get them to come out. Hey boys, come on. Y'all want to go for a little walk? Huh? Y'all want to go for our little walkabout? Huh? Do you? Tell me. Answer me. Y'all want to go for a walkabout? Oh, y'all want to go? Every one of you? Layla, you want to go? Okay, come on. We'll go for a little walkabout this morning. It's going to be a hot one, 104 today. Okay, y'all got to get back if I'm going to let you out the gate. I don't want to hurt you. Okay, y'all just come out one at a time then. Oh, there's 2. Come on out. Come on. Don't crawl under. Hang on. A little logistics issue going here. Gus, you're smarter than that. Come on. Come on. Well, we're off and running. They kind of follow their mom's lead. Claire, come on. Let's get down here and we can see what's going on with these boys. A little Lorena. Now, everybody but Lorena and Roscoe are sold. And here's Roscoe, and they're good looking pups, all of them. Every one of them. Hey, let's go for a little walkabout. Come on. Let's go over this way. Layla, bring them over here. Newt. Come on, Newt. Newt. Oh, Newt's got to go to the bathroom. They've been good about where they go. Newt. Come on. Newt. Claire got a sticker. No, she's got to go to the bathroom. Newt, come here. Come here, Newt. Come here, Newt. Come here, Newt. Hello, Jasper. How you doing, buddy? Huh? Gus? Gus, come here, Gus. How you doing, buddy? Huh? Oh, you're so pretty. Don't be whiny now. You're on camera. I don't want your mama to see you crying on camera. You either. Come on. Come on, kids. Let's go for a little walkabout. How's that? They're going to chase a squirrel for us. That's important dog training, is chasing squirrels. Get out of that. Get out of that sand. Go on. Catch up with your bubbas. Come on, Newt. Newt, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hello, Lorena. How you doing, baby? Little Lorena, you're sweet, baby. Deets over here is going to Nick, our son. I get to see Deets a lot. I'll get to see some of these pups a lot. Clara, come on. Clara, come on. Here's little Clara. Oh, Clara's a good dog. Clara's parents are coming after her on July 17th after their vacation. Layla, come here, you're getting ahead of me. You're getting too far ahead. See how these pups walk on asphalt. Come here, Roscoe. Come here, Newt. Come on, boys. Jasper, Roscoe, Deets. Come on, Jasper. Come on. Come on, Jasper. Come on. Okay, let's go back this way, boys. And there's Woodrow Call. Woodrow Call's and so I'll see him again. Woodrow, come here. Woodrow. Woodrow Call. Look here. Say hello. Jasper. Layla, come. Okay, boys, come on. Y'all have been good boys and a pleasure to keep. Oh, here's a little nature trek. See if we can get down the embankment to the water with Mom. There they go. This may be one of the first encounters with natural water bodies. They're going to kind of avoid it, which is important that you not force them. Other boys over here investigating the tractor seat swing. Something new they certainly hadn't seen yet. Come here, Layla. Layla. Come on, bring those pups. Good girl. Layla, you've been an excellent mom. Okay, boys, let's walk back this way. Let's see, it's like counting kids. I got 4 browns, 4 blacks. They're all here. I know how these moms feel now. Okay, boys, come here. Boys. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, it's Mark with another eye report. Glad for the time we've had with these pups, and hope you've enjoyed them. We'll see you soon. Thanks.